Alright, so I have a 2004 Mazda Miata here. I'm going to show you real quick where the immobilizer box is at. This particular car has already had this section right here removed, but to remove that there's just going to be two little screws right here, and then you should be able to just pull it down. And once you have that down, we can see the steering column here, and right to the right of that we see this guy right here, and this is the immobilizer box. And he is not bolted or anything, he's just on a little clip, so if you give it a few wiggles, then he just comes loose, and you'll see there, that's where he connects there. And it has a blue and white label, so you're just going to take that guy off right there. So very simple to find and remove the immobilizer box here for generating the keys.